ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Kumish benta ban ajing tip hi khun Samla ke bedan ni kemensim benlit rong haki kam Shipai ke officer jo Indian Army bagi Indian Air Force ber kumjuru ki South Santlik University hakelengkari India ke penlong ke career fair bar ke admission fair ajar pusau na kebenta ke Samla jong jela Meghalaya. Yakini ke career fair bak admission fair la penlong hotel Vivanta bar pelat hajang ki Samla ki bela yo jimentoy nakani. Hagin ke sngi la sakhi ki Samla ki batrang bandrung ha kam Shipai lalet bentua jingmut na ki officer jong ki Indian Army bar kumjuru na ki Indian Air Force ha ka bagi la batai bnia halo ka kam Shipai bertip kum ka agni vir. Hakui pak kalyang ki nong penya yakini admission fair la penlong yakini kana bi kun Samla kin light na ka jing sha thok ha bagi jet ban net pulis shabar ban ling ba kani ka yarap ki Samla bani jing tip pang university. Shushu na kaliang ki board penya jog university prepare ki bela wan ha kani ka fair kla batai janai bha ki Samla ki bakwa ban net puli shek university ki bela pau ba po kari India.
We have established a army recruitment cell here at Taj Vivanta to educate the young boys and girls about the various opportunities which are available in Indian Army. It starts with 10+2 where they have an option to get inducted in Indian Army as officers or as Agniveers. As officers, they can directly enroll themselves into an NDA. This is a UPSC based exam where they have to submit online registration. Post that there will be an exam conducted by UPSC and further based on their merit they will be going for a service selection board which is a 5-day test which will be conducted, and after that based on their merit they will be going to the various training officer institutes. In Agniveer, presently for boys there are various categories starting from someone who is 8th pass to 10th pass to 12th pass and further to graduation. For girls we have vacancy presently only for women MP, that is military police, where they can apply and they have to be matriculate pass. The basic age criteria is 17 and a half to 21 years, and the qualification includes 10+2 with 45% aggregate and minimum 33% in each subject.
So what's the response from the youth of Meghalaya?
Oh, the response has been good. Last year we had the recruitment rally in the month of November at Gurkha Training Center, Shillong, and the huge number of candidates had come. There was a central rally for women also which was conducted in Narangi, and we are proud to announce that one girl got selected for Meghalaya who went as a Agniveer military police. Further, approximately 300 candidates got selected and went to respective training establishment as Agniveers.
This is for every individual, okay, the one who have passed out class 12. See, nowadays the scam is going on. The scam is so much that we don't know what is happening outside. People, they know the university's name. Students are just believing, whatever people are saying and they are going. So this is for the education purpose. Also today we are having a seminar here in Vivanta actually. So this is the seminar, like we bought the university here for them to get more information, to know more about universities, The students come from a very middle class family also nowadays. They don't know, they just randomly throwing the money, the parents' money, but they don't know how to apply. So for them only we bought the universities here. They'll get to know more about that. So I just want to tell the youth, please don't fall for any scams. Go to a very good reputed university so that you will get well educated.
Kani ka taga kata ka fair na ka banta ki khun samla jong ka ri ba jai pendri ko jongi but kum managing director jong ka online ten service center habang ran hagani ka jakar kat bagini ki colleagues ki jongi ki ba long ru ki ba yatri kam lang ha ka kam pat ba ngiran hagani ka por ban pen shai kan diat ya pi ki khun samla kam tam ki khun samla ki ba ju e ban tap ye kam ki ba pair ha ka bai dei ba kumni ba pi im da ki officers ki ban hagani. Thank you very much, sir, for organizing this program. Thank you very much, ma'am, for having you here. This will really create a good awareness to the young people, youngsters there, especially to the people from our beloved state, Meghalaya. Bah kanika kumapi im da shadin jungi kanika screen, kanika di lang naka ka Indian Army. Di kumjuru kumapi im da hagani ngaladap syong syatai mantan banyakran naka Indian Air Force ru. Kani ka agnivir kadi kita kawai ke scheme ka bamenta ka dan hapok ke second phase menta haga ba ya kani ka agnivir ki khun samla jong garib ga jai pendri ko jongi kila ban join ha kani ka defense line na ka menta ba kin yo e ka kam ka jam ka jongi bat ki criteria ki dan chibun bahang ni bat ngan sapata yapi bat ka criteria ka dei kumni tater ba ki di bandan ya ka eligibility criteria ka jongi kum ki haban pass ya kan ika class 12 kila ban dei na ka science and non science ru ki badai haka science kat kum gajing kali jonga mantan kin tap yaki haki benta ba pair ki badai ba technology ba science technology ke jongki ba ki bamdei na science ki badai na non science yaki tu pada gelaban tap apa ki ground level ni ki duties apa ki ground level ti kumbang ni tip hangni ka la mention hangni what ka tu lop ba ki khana samla jongi kin yo ti kadai kita ka fair ka ba dan kam ba le si menta sing wala ka lakut menta ka siru henrai kini ki information ki ba pinyo nangi pinangla ban budin ban ngi kumju di naga menta ki khun samla ka jongi ki ba dan jing thimu ban yo ai kini ki kam ki bai dei ba ni ka national defense ka jongi ti bejong kari ka jongi kini ki long ki criteria bet ki don ki relaxation ru khandiat nam ta ki khun riulum ki jongi ki khun samla riulum ki jongi ki don ki relaxation ki jongi ru kumanta kumya ka height kumya ka Rynïeng ka jong khuna ubadi bandan shispa san fu ar pan san cm manta ya ukhna jongi la panduna no haru shispa san fu cm ka bamut ba kum kita ki don ki ta relaxation ma ndai wala ka ta bare ka jing khun ka long open category ya ba khwan mla ban map ki ha nu banta ki ban pass bi ka exam ka badi ka agnivir ka tu ka shen mi man ka banai January ba banai July jong man usnam ti ya kani ka sin ba manta ka di ka sin ka ba ar ba ka agnivir kan trekam ti kumba ka julong ka rukam nga kerpa ki khun samla bakin let check ni ka website ka ba mention hang ni kani ka agnipatvayu.cdac.in kashen mi man ubanai January bat ubanai July bat ka kubor ka basu tanat ka long ba ka sarkar India ka ong ba napo north east ngidang don tang khendiat e ki ba mi chekan ni ka bentang ban north east brak kawai dang don tang lai spa khat san mut ki khana samla ki bala sha jit agani ka kam ti ka mut ka ba pen i ya ki duna ba na ka north east ki ti na ka Meghalaya ka khlami yo ka ni ka dita te malong ki shu ong ban lai spa khat san mut ki khana ki jongi ki khana north east ki bala sha jit chekan ni ka agani vir ban join ki different department jungka Indian defense ti nalo ka ta paderu ki ya kani ki kadon ko one round exams but ki haban clear kani hadin bekla clear kani ka one round exams ki haban le ru ki medical test ka jongki khanang ban ai ka fitness ka jongki bakin join ka kam ka jam but ka basko tanat ru kalong ba kani ka agni vir phidi ban su thu kalong partially only for 4 years ki haban trei tang south nem ti tang ba ka sarkar lengba kani ka defense ministry of defense ka ikale ayu ka ya kini ki 8% pada na kini ki bajuan dai na hagini saus nem 8% na ki kapan long pada kum ka kam permanent kini ki la ban yo wat ki pension ki jong kiru ti ya kini la tho bun bah kini ka brochures but pinsala ban tip company la da phi but din bat ngi ti phila ban kan du yangi hagini ki office ki jongi they will be coming to your office ma'am for more information kila ban le ki office ka jongki la ni kila ban kan du mar khamat yang haru they can contact ma'am Sapna or they can contact me as well ma'am ti ngidan hapo office hapo online ten service center hapo mokharu ngidan but imam ri idan hapo
students also who wants to go out for any course any course filming fashion designing like BBA any management is there please don't fall for this scams and all come straight to our office we'll help you to be done thank you so much
ba ka basutrat ba ka long ba ba ka basutrat ju ka long ba hagini ki saus nem ba filatrai 8% na ki chatla ban yo e ka kam hadu sau post nem pada kan kamut ken trai menta ki khana ki jongi ken dekat pras nem ki la yo e ka kam saus nem hadin ni kata ka long alfu ars nem ti na pedang jitu ki bala sha thung kam nama ka ditang saus nem jing sia Ti handai kan dan biang kawai pada ka recruitment ka bakan tung 100% na kita kena. Kita banyak select na kita ki batrai ma na pring ki batrai. Kita select 100% but na kita ki 100% kin sayo ya ka kam ka ba hadu bakin adap sau post nem. Bakin sayo ika pension ka jongki ter kumta namar bakade ha ka defense. Ti ka basung tanak so kawai pada kalong kitu ki kena ki batrai sau nem ha ka ni ka kam ka tulak ka jongki ka long hadu lai 4000 si banai. Lai 4000 si banai but kidan kitu ki contribution mo syaka tu ka package ka baki khot ki ka sewa nidhi package namar ya ka tu ka sewa nidhi package syat yo hadin bakla pandap ya ka 4 years of their employment kan hakani ka agni vir mo di hakini ki sau nem dakila dap nai kin yo kani ka package ba shi 4.sau lak ka bamut ba ka tu ka di ka contribution ka ba PPI na ka salary ka jong PI na ka salary jong khandai 1000 tingka bat ka sarkar India government of India karu ka ai khandai 1000 rupi ba pinyo ya kani ha ka pot ba pimi saus nem ba pila mi no na kani ka kam agani vir pinyo ya kani ka shipho lak pon sau 1000 lak tingka mo kamut shipho lak 1000 tingka pinyo hadin ba pila mi pat hadin saus nem ba pila mi na kani ka kam tikini ka pensai I saudong jong ni kidan bun ba kini ki education fair ru ka ba ki khana ke jongi ki ban mi chakhamat ban awat jing tip chapang ki jing puli ba pher kidan hang ni ki university ba pau jong kari India bar kawai ba kham tam e baginan kini ka Indian Navy ba ka army hang ni na ka banta ki khun samla jongi ngayan hang ni nam ta ki khun samla ki jongi ngadon hang ni nam ta ki khun samla jongi ban ai kani ka awareness anta jong pi ba phin mi chakhamat ban phin apply kani ka agani vir kan mi mentau snam hau banai July la sham banai te mi chakhamat ban apply kani ka kam na ka banta jong pi khubdai shibun.
There are many youngsters actually for our local only we can say. So they will get the scholarship plus from the university. At the same time we are having schemes also to the students who cannot afford a single mother. So please if you want to know any information you can contact me or you can also visit to our office. And this fair actually it's for the local students only, like they don't know about the university to what is going outside actually. They know what is BBA but they don't know what is BBA. Okay, so we have to tell them what is BBA, it's a management course and all. So many students are here, many. So far we already got 1000 plus. So here we request you, this is the only request, that don't fall for any scams or any agents. Just go through, and we would like to help you for the needy things and all. So please make sure if you want to go also you can also come to me, or else you can reach to Bajuban. He will just help you out to be done. Thank you so much.